I've heard many people, met one as well, at least, who have gotten into some very serious accidents. I've listened to some interviews of some people who've gotten into plane crashes, motorbike crashes, car crashes, who have almost seen death. There is one statement that almost all of them have said. It's a statement that I've repeatedly heard. And they said that when they got into such serious, life-threatening incidents in their life, they've said that the whole life, came in front of their eyes. Whatever they have done throughout their life. Consistent statement. And I wonder that maybe that will happen to people when they will be leaving this world, finally. It can happen that the whole life, the flashback of the whole life will come in front of our eyes, in our mind. Oh my God, I wish I had not lived my life like that. And that's what Qur'an says. Ya Laitani qaddamtu li hayati. I wish that I sent something forward for my life. I wish. But Ya Laitani, this in Arabic language is a wish that cannot be fulfilled. The end of Surah An-Naba that Shaykh recited in the first rak'ah. What is that? The last ayah. Inna anzarnakum azaban qariba yawma yanduru al-mar'u ma qaddamat yadah. Allah Ta'ala says on the day of judgment, everybody will see what his hands have sent forward. وَيَقُولُ الْكَافِرُ يَا لَيْتَنِي كُنْتُ تُرَابًا. And the disbelievers will say, I wish that I'd become dust. I was not a human being. I would have turned into dust. Ya laytani, I wish that can never be fulfilled. This is Qur'an, my friends.